everyone, welcome back to my channel and to a Sunday day in my life. Today is Sunday, September 15th. It's actually about 1 p.m. I've had a late start to my morning. I haven't been sleeping a whole lot or like really good lately. So I just wanted to give myself time to sleep, and I think I got up like out of bed around 10:30 and made breakfast, and then I've just been out on the porch studying and cleaning up my room. It was a hot mess. I worked all day Friday and Saturday, so I didn't have like a whole lot of time here to like clean up, so I just leave stuff on the floor. So tomorrow is obviously Monday, but it's my 4th week of classes. By the way, if you guys are new here, welcome. My name's Emma. I am a 3rd year at the University of Cincinnati. It's actually my last year. I'll graduate in summer, August of 2020. I'm majoring in communication and minoring in marketing, so I'm just taking mostly common marketing classes. So what I'm actually about to sit down and do is write out my daily schedule. A lot of you guys have actually asked me to like go over how I do this, because that's like the #1 question that I get, like how do you stay so organized and balanced between like work and school and life. So I'll just kind of go through my syllabi and like write down what I have to write down and show you guys how I make my schedule. I don't really have a whole ton to do today. I do have an exam Tuesday that I've been studying for, but I already feel pretty good about it. And I have obviously the rest of the day and all of tomorrow to study for it, so I'm not super worried about that. I think my mom and I are going to record a podcast later this afternoon. I haven't heard from her yet today, so I'm not sure when we're doing that. And then I would also like to get my economics homework done for this week, because I have not done that. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna work on today. Just kind of see where the day takes me. Obviously I'd like to work out, and but yeah, I feel like it's already 1, so like the day is like almost over. Which is kind of funny because like Sundays are my favorite day because I just get to be lazy and like take it easy, but then at the end of the night I always feel so guilty, or just like I wasted the day for doing that. So hopefully I don't feel like that tonight. I don't think I will, because I'm still gonna get a lot done, but still just like relax. Okay, so yeah, enough talking. I will show you guys how I make my schedule. Okay, so I have a syllabi folder. So I keep all of my syllabi in here. I'm taking 6 classes this semester. So I basically just pull out all of my syllabi. I don't really know the best way to show you guys. I guess I'll just like go through class by class. What I usually do is I go like in order of the classes that I have on the days that I have them. So like starting with my 1st class, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, and then my online classes. So I always write it's week 4, and then I write the date. So it'll be September 16th to the 23rd roughly. Okay, so the 1st class is communication theory, and then he actually lists out weekly tasks for us, which is nice. So we have YouTube videos, response paper number 2, a learn smart, and then an assessment, which is kind of just like a little quiz. All right, so my next class is communication research. So this week we just have to read 2 chapters, chapter 4 and chapter 14. And then we also have an exam that's due next Monday, the 23rd. So that I just write like studying for the exam, even though it's not in person, it's online. So it's really just like reviewing in class notes and chapters and stuff like that. All right, so here's a little overview. Got all of my classes, all of my homework. And then I also have extra things that's school related. So like this is a research thing that I have to do for my marketing classes. And I'm actually gonna be a tutor this semester, so we have training this week. So yeah, everything school related is on here. So it is 5:25. I have just been working on homework. I got all of my econ done for this past week, which was awesome. It didn't take me very long, and I like understood most of it, which is awesome because I thought econ would be like really hard for me, and like it is hard, but I'm still like getting it, so that's encouraging. And then I did a little bit for my comm theory class, and then I've just been studying for my exam and watching YouTube and just kind of chilling. So my mom is going to call me at 5:30 for the podcast. So you guys, I've never talked about it before, but she does have a podcast. It's called Women Beyond Faith, and basically she just interviews women who no longer identify with their religion. Yeah, I'm kind of nervous. I don't really like interviews. They scare me. I feel like I never say stuff the right way, and I just like always freeze. And like with YouTube, I'm so used to being able to just like edit myself out. Like I can stop and like sit here for a minute and think about what I want to say and just like cut it all out. But podcast, you can't really do that. I'm not sure when the episode will go up, if she's gonna have me edit it, because sometimes I edit the podcast, or if she's gonna do it and upload it like next week. But whenever it does come out, I'll be sure to tell you guys and link it for you if you guys are interested and want to listen. I don't really talk about my religion on here, or lack of religion on here anymore. I used to when I was like coming out, because people just were like, oh, like they were used to knowing me as a Christian, and then I wasn't anymore, so I felt the need to explain myself. But now I don't really feel the need to, unless someone asks questions, and obviously like I answer them, but it's just like, I don't know, it's not what I want my channel to be about, so I just don't really talk about it or mention it at all. But since this is cool and you guys will be able to get like an inside look on like my life and just kind of how it all happened, I definitely want you guys to be able to like get to know me on a little bit of a deeper level. Alright, so I'm finished with the podcast. It went really well. We had, I feel like, a pretty good conversation. As you guys probably know, I don't really like talk a whole lot, so she definitely had to like prompt me to respond. But yeah, it was good to talk about, fun to share my story. So again, if you guys are interested, I think she's gonna edit it tomorrow, so hopefully it will be up by the time this video goes up, so I'll have it linked down below if you guys are interested and want to listen. I was going to go to the grocery store, but it's 7:04 and I'm tired. It's starting to get dark outside. I don't want to walk in the dark around where I live, so I am just going to have my mom bring me Chipotle at work tomorrow, and then she's going to take me to the grocery store Tuesday. So worked out. I don't have a car, by the way, so that's why it's like a little bit more of a challenge to get places. But yeah, I'm gonna get a little workout in. I've been trying to work out better. I gained like 10 pounds over the summer, so I'm just trying to like lose it, which I think I have, but now I just have to like regain my strength. I'm so weak, so slowly starting to see like progression. But yeah, I'm gonna do a workout. I'll show you guys what I'm wearing. Nothing too crazy. This top I think is from American Eagle or Aerie, one of them. I got it a couple years ago though, but I think it's super cute. These leggings are from Old Navy. They are a little bit small on me. I got a size small, but again, since I gained weight, they're just like a little bit tighter. Then my hair is wild, so it's up in these dumb bun ponytail things. Alright, so I am going to do one of Mad Fit's videos. She's my favorite. This is a 15-minute full body kettlebell workout. I don't have a kettlebell, but I'm just gonna use these weights, and hopefully they'll work. So yeah, here we go. Okay, I just finished that workout and it was seriously so good. I loved it. I'll link it down below if you guys want to try it out. Just loved using weights throughout all of it, and I was able to like last also throughout the entire 15 minutes, which usually I'm like dead by like minute 7. So that felt really good too, to be able to actually complete a workout without like taking any breaks, or like it was just awesome. So I feel really good now. It's 7:30, so I'm gonna go ahead and shower and then make dinner because I didn't really eat lunch, so I'm pretty hungry. so I'm now sitting down to eat dinner. I just made oatmeal and then I added some raspberries, and I'm just gonna watch an episode of The Office while I eat. And then I'll probably just review my notes for consumer behavior, my exam on Tuesday again. Just because I feel like I've had like such a productive day. It's been amazing. I've gotten so much stuff done. Well, one, I slept in, didn't get my day started till really late. Got a ton of homework done. I worked out, I was able to clean my room, talk to my mom. Like, I feel like I've just had such a good day. So yeah, I feel good. So I just want to review my notes one more, and then whether I watch Netflix or YouTube or go to bed early. I do work 9 hours tomorrow. I have to get up kind of early to catch my bus to go to work. But I'm just feeling so good. Also, my boss was the sweetest. She bought me honey lavender stress-free tea by Yogi, I think that's the brand. She has it at work and we ran out, so she bought 2 packs, one for work and one for me at my house. It's seriously probably the best tea that I've ever had. It's so delicious. So I'm just gonna de-stress and watch The Office, which is awesome. It's my favorite show. And then stress over my exam, and then de-stress, and then go to bed.